Let's learn how you can easily hide or unhide Instagram message notifications. As you can see, when someone sends me a message on Instagram, I'm gonna get a notification saying who sent me the message, and the content of the message also. Everyone can see who sends me what, and the notification appears on the lock screen, as well as the home screen when you're using the device. But we can hide those notifications in just a few clicks. You want to open the settings on your device, and then open the notifications section. In the notifications, find the Instagram app and tap on it. That's gonna open our Instagram notification settings that we can customize, and we can turn them off completely if we want to. But in order to hide those messages on the lock screen and home screen, you're gonna see this lock screen appearance option, and you'll want to tap on the show previews section. We have 3 different options in here. You can set this to an unlocked, so that way you will be able to see who sends you the messages and the content of the message only when you unlock your device via the passcode or with Face ID. Or you can simply set this to never. That way, you will only get a notification from Instagram on your lock screen and your home screen, but you'll just see an Instagram notification. You will have to open the Instagram application and go over to your DMs if you want to see who sent you what. Thanks for watching this video everyone, and make sure to subscribe for more similar videos like this one.